She'll weigh as much as 60 tons and carry a crew of up to 10. She'll travel at 300 miles an hour or more and fly at any height from 5 to 30,000 feet.
Go Foxtrot November, clear to Amsterdam. Cross Epsom 2000, 7 Oaks 3000. Climb under radar and obtain 15,000 feet.
Runway 17, the wind south-southwest 5.
Hotel Foxtrot, your traffic is decent now on final and DC3 living pattern outbound heading for 180 degrees. Over.
Clipper 100, you're cleared to taxi to runway 25 left. By taxiway Charlie and runway 13 left. You're cleared to taxi to runway 25 left. By taxiway Charlie and runway 13 left. The wind is southwest at 12.